Good morning, Barton RV and family. On this episode, I'm doing a solo overnight tent camping at Garner State Park. I wanted to have my tent camping to coincide with the release of the rainbow trout. Now, rainbow trout isn't native to this area, so whatever you catch, you have to keep, up to 5 fish. The reason for that is this trout is a cold water fish, and as soon as it gets warm in Texas, all these fish will die. So you're not going to catch anything big, but these are real tasty fish. Now back to my tent making. Forgive me if it took too long. This is a very old tent, maybe 20 years old, and it probably has been, about 10 years since I put it together. What a beautiful campsite. That's old Baldy Mountain in the background, and one of my goals for this year is to climb it. I can't believe all these years I've lived in Uvalde, and I never climbed old Baldy. And now back to my tent. I wonder how long this is going to take to put this old tent up. Okay, this is what we're gonna have for dinner. It's an early dinner because I got kind of hungry. This only costs 92 cents at Walmart. I noticed if you get like the name brand ones, they're like $2.20, $2.50. That's way too much for that. Okay, so like I said, we're tent camping, or maybe I didn't say it, but we're tent camping. So everything's minimalistic, I guess that's how you say it. And we got the old propane cylinder, and we're gonna light this up. But look at this view. That's a view of my campsite right here. Okay, we got it going. Fire, cooking all that up. SpaghettiOs. And let's take a tour of our campsite. You can see this is right in front of here, in front of the mountain, Old Baldy, close to the dam. And we are in site number 88. It's just water, no electricity. And I bought my new toy, which is a a lithium battery power solar pack. So we'll try that out later on. And there's the Jimmy Dick. And this is my only thing, is just water. Now this site here would cost $28 if you don't have the pass. $28 a night for just water, no electricity. I ain't gonna say nothing, but campers, you figure that out. That's quick. It's starting to heat up, so I'll get that ready. Okay, there it is. It's all cooked. I was thinking about plating this up, but you know what? I'm just going to eat it right out of the pot. One less thing to clean. Well, let me turn down this volume. The wind's starting to pick up, and that's kind of an omen to what's going to come tonight. And these temperatures are going to really drop. And also, I had a little visitor to the campsite. Huh? No. Where'd you come from, huh? Whose dog are you? You know where you come from? Somebody's dog. Like I said, we're going to keep these videos under 10 minutes. And make sure you guys come back and view the continuation of this video in a couple weeks. And the video is going to be camping at night here. And I have to warn you, it does get kind of spooky here. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share our videos. And we'll see you on our next adventure.